Next, Nana. Next condition, Nana. Diffraction maxima. Look here, all of you. Next, I discuss, Nana, diffraction maxima. Maxima. Look here. Okay, Nana? Diffraction maximum. In the situation, this is the slit width. Nana. What is the slit width? A. Okay? This is the screen, Nana. This is the screen. Okay, Nana? Here, each point in the slit acts as a object or obstacle. Obstacle. Here, diffraction maxima explain slit divided into three equal parts. Slit divided into three equal parts. Look here, Nana. Look here. This part length A by 3. This part length A by 3. This part length A by 3. Okay? Slit divided into three equal parts. In that region, each point on the slit acts as an obstacle. The light is bent. Look here, all of you. Here now. Here. Okay, Nana. Look here now. All of you look here. Here waves are superimposed. Waves are superimposed at a point P. In this situation, look here now. This wave cancel. Nana, look here. Look. E point cancel. E point cancel. E point cancel. Nana, ikkadi nunchi vachina wave. Here to wave. Because here crust fall on the trough automatically at a point P. This wave cancel now. And its meaning is this A by 3, this A by 3. These waves are cancelled, but these waves only superimpose. Its meaning is this is diffraction maxima. It will be formed brideband, but this A by 3 region, all waves cancel. Only these waves superimpose at a point P. Its meaning is here in a brideband form, but the brideband is less intensity band is formed. Do you understand? Look here. Here, diffraction maxima explain slit divided into three equal parts. In this situation, this part waves cancelled by this part. Simply, this part waves only superimpose at a point P. Here, at a point P, brideband form, but less intensity band is formed. Do you understand? Here, what is the path difference? Path difference between two waves. Look here. Here, these two waves ki path difference. Here angle is what? Theta. Path difference A by 3 undi kabatti A by 3 sin theta. Look here. This wave cancel. Simply crust fall on the trough. Phase difference is pi. Path difference is lambda by 2. Right side. A by 3 sin theta. Look here now. In the situation, A sin theta equal to 3 lambda by 2. Okay, Nana? A sin theta equal to 3 lambda by 2. This is called condition for first maximum. First maximum in diffraction. Okay? Next one. Next maxima explain. Slit divided into 5 equal parts. 4 will be cancelled. Only 1 remain. అప్పుడు ఇక్కడ 5 ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్ అయితే ఏమొస్తుందిరా బంగారు కొండలు a by 5 స్లిట్ డివైడెడ్ 5 ఈక్వల్ పార్ట్స్ a కాస్త ఈచ్ పార్ట్ a by 5 అప్పుడు ఇక్కడ ఏమొస్తుంది 5 lambda by 2 దట్ ఈజ్ కాల్డ్ సెకండ్ మాక్సిమా ఇన్ ద డైఫ్రాక్షన్. నెక్స్ట్ slit divided into 3, 5, 7 equal parts. Even cancel. 3 cancel. Only 1 remain. Here 7 equal parts. A by 7. A by 7. Here what? 7 lambda by 2. That is third maxima of the diffraction. Here, what is the diffraction maxima condition? A sin theta equal to, it right, 2n plus 1 into lambda by 2. Putting n value 1, 3 lambda by 2, first diffraction maxima obtained. Putting n value 2, second diffraction maxima obtained. Putting n value 3, third diffraction maxima obtained. This is the condition for diffraction maxima. ఈ తొక్కలో గోలంతా నాకు వద్దు, ఎందుకంటే ఇది ఓన్లీ ఆబ్జెక్టివ్ కాబట్టి ఇదిగోనండి a sin theta equal to n lambda. This is a condition is diffraction minima. Diffraction minima. Look here now. What is the first condition for diffraction maxima? A sin theta equal to 2n plus 1 into lambda by 2. What is the diffraction minima? A sin theta equal to n lambda. This is the diffraction pattern on the screen. Look here. This is the diffraction pattern on the screen. Nana, this is the center of the screen. Nana, this is called principal maxima. Principal maxima. Nana, this is the screen. Nana. This is called principal maxima. Principal maxima. Okay? Nana, this is called, చెప్పాలి మీరే చెప్పాలి, ఫస్ట్ మినిమా. మరి ఇక్కడ ఎక్కువ ఉంది కదా, దీన్ని ఏమంటారు? ఫస్ట్ మ్యాక్సిమా. దీన్ని సెకండ్ మినిమా, సెకండ్ మ్యాక్సిమా, థర్డ్ మినిమా, థర్డ్ మ్యాక్సిమా. Once again I repeat, center of the screen, this is called principal maxima. Okay? Next one, this is called first minima, first maxima, second minima, second maxima. Here to compare, here intensity is more, next intensity less. Its meaning is Intensity gradually what happens on the screen? Decrease. Where intensity maximum? At the center of the screen, intensity is maximum. Next ఎంత ఉంటుంది తెలుసా intensity? I0 by 22. Next I0 by 61. Next I0 by 122. Its meaning is intensity at the center of the screen is more. Next intensity gradually decrease. Finally it becomes what happens? Zero. Last topic nana in this situation. Look here nana. ఒక 2 ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ కూడా చేయించేస్తా ఇప్పుడే మోడల్స్ ఇస్తాను చూడండి నాన్న ఇంకా అయిపోకూడదు. లుక్ హియర్ నాన్న. ఆ బాబు టెన్షన్ పడతాడు మధ్యాహ్నం ఎగ్జామ్ ఉందని. వరుణ్ width of the central maxima or principal maxima. Look here all of you. Width of the central maxima or principal maxima. This is the, look here, slit nana. What is the slit width? A. This is the screen nana. This is the screen nana. Look here all of you. In this situation nana, here this is the width of the central maxima, that is called width of the principal maxima, that will be determined. In this situation, look here, this is the center of the screen. Look here all of you, this angle is theta. Okay nana? In that situation, this is y and automatically idem avutundi y. What is the width of the central maxima? 2y. Here this point is called first minima. In the diffraction, what is the condition for first minima? D sin theta equal to n lambda. First minima means n value 1. So d sin theta equal to lambda. Once again I repeat. This is the principal maxima. ikkada edo form ayindi first minima. Here d sin theta equal to lambda. In the situation d okay nana? D okay. In the situation d okay nana? Sin theta write as tan theta nana. Here angle is small. Sin theta write as tan theta. Tan opposite by adjacent. What is the opposite? Y. Adjacent slit ki screen ki distance. He is right side y. What is the y value? Look here nana. Lambda dy. Sorry nana. Here in the diffraction slit width right as a. మర్చిపోతుంది చెప్పొద్దు మీరు. a lambda d by a. Any doubt nana? Here a indicate slit width nana. Here this is the y nana. But we discuss width of the central maxima. Width of the central maxima is 2y. Simply y value here substitute. Finally we get 2 lambda d by a. Here lambda indicate wavelength of the light. Capital D indicate distance between slit and screen. Small a indicate slit width. ఓకేనా? నేనేమనుకోవట్లేదు వరుణు, నవ్వుతానన్నా. ఓకేనా? ఇటు చూడండి. ఇప్పుడు ఏమైనా ఇబ్బంది ఉందా వరుణ్? చూసుకున్నాను ఒకసారి. Width of the central maxima is 2 lambda d by a. ఓకేనా వరుణ్? Here look here now. Look here nana, width of the central maxima అయిపోయింది. In this situation, for example, this light is parallel rays. Here, opposite to the slit, one convex lens arranged. The question is, slit before one convex lens is arranged, these rays are parallel. Parallel means object is infinity. According to ray optics, object is infinity, its image is formed at focus. Simply, its d value is f. ఎందుకు df అయింది? ఇక్కడ పెట్టాను కాన్వెక్స్ లెన్స్. లెన్స్ పెట్టినప్పుడు ఆబ్జెక్ట్ ఇన్ఫినిటీ నుంచి వస్తే దాని ఇమేజ్ ఎక్కడ ఫామ్ అవ్వాలి? ఫోకస్. సింప్లీ ఫోకల్ లెంత్. సింప్లీ హియర్ d వాల్యూ రైట్ యాజ్ f. ఎప్పుడు అప్లికబుల్ అవుతున్నది? విడ్త్ ఆఫ్ ద స్లిట్ ఈస్ 2 lambda f by a. Here when applicable this point, in this situation the convex lens is placed before the slit. Here image formed on the screen at a focal distance. That meaning is capital D write as f. Okay na? అయితే ఇంకొక 1 పాయింట్ ఇచ్చి ప్రాబ్లం స్టార్ట్ చేద్దాం. In the diffraction, intensity of light is directly proportional to slit width whole square. Once again I repeat, in the diffraction, intensity of light directly proportional to slit width whole square. అదే ఇంటర్ఫరెన్స్ లో అనుకోండి, ఇంటర్ఫరెన్స్ లో ఇంటెన్సిటీ ఆఫ్ లైట్ directly proportional to slit width. Look here now, in the diffraction, intensity directly proportional to slit width whole square. Intensity is nothing but the brightness. Slit width more light coming, more brightness on the screen. Simply, in the diffraction, intensity of light directly proportional to slit width whole square. ఒక 1 minute ఫార్ములా చెక్ చేయండి. పేజ్ నెంబర్ 266. ఫాస్ట్లీ ఐ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్. హియర్ a slit width a illuminated by white light. Here keyword in the problem single slit nanu. This diffraction also called as Fraunhofer diffraction. This is first minima condition. A sin theta equal to n lambda. First minima. Putting n value 1. Here A sin theta equal to lambda. In the situation, determine slit width. Theta is 30, sin 30 1/2. Wavelength is given 6500 angstrom, 10 power minus 10 meter. Please calculate A value. Problem number 37. 36 completed. Next 37. In the 37 this is also diffraction. In the diffraction, just previous I discussed. Intensity of light directly proportional to slit width whole square. What happens to the intensity? Slit width is doubled. ఇక్కడ 2 times రాసాము అనుకో, 2 square ఏమైంది 4. అంటే intensity increases 4 times. Intensity increases 4 times. ఓకేనా? నెక్స్ట్ నానా లుక్ హియర్ 39. 38 కూడా చెప్తాను, 1 minute వెయిట్ చేయండి. 39 light of wavelength is incident on the slit. First minima diffraction. Simply first draw the diagram. Here slit width ఎంత a. Screen ఇది. Screen కి slit కి మధ్య distance ఎంత d. ఇక్కడ ఎక్కడో మినిమా ఫామ్ అంతే కదా. పాయింట్ పి దగ్గర డైఫ్రాక్షన్ ప్యాటర్న్ ఫామ్. ఈ యాంగిల్ ఎంత థీటా. వైడిఎస్సిలో ఓ నుంచి పీకి ఏదో డిస్టెన్స్ అనుకుంటాం వై. ఇప్పుడు మీరే చెప్పండి. క్వశ్చన్ 39 ఫస్ట్ మినిమా అన్నట్టు. ఇన్ ద సిచ్యువేషన్ ఫస్ట్ మినిమా ఇన్ ద డైఫ్రాక్షన్ అంటే ఏ సైన్ థీటా ఈక్వల్ టు లాంబ్డా. ఎన్ లాంబ్డా ఫస్ట్ మినిమా ఎన్ వాల్యూ 1, పుట్టింగ్ ఎన్ వాల్యూ 1. In the situation, angle small, sin theta right as tan theta. Tan theta means opposite side by adjacent side equal to lambda. In the situation, the question is width of the slit కనుక్కోమన్నాడు. అంటే ఏ కావాలి. ఏకి ఫార్ములా చెప్తారా ఇక్కడ ఫార్ములా లాంబ్డా క్యాపిటల్ డి బై వై. లాంబ్డా వాల్యూ ఈజ్ గివెన్ 5000 angstrom, 5 into 10 power minus 7. Capital D is given 3 meters. Y is given 5 mm. 5 into 10 power minus 3. Please calculate to get the answer.